In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Ezoic from Cloudflare. Ezoic connects to your Cloudflare account using an API token. Removing Ezoic from Cloudflare is simply a matter of revoking that token, so Ezoic no longer has access to your Cloudflare settings. This won't delete your Cloudflare account or your site, it just cuts off Ezoic's ability to manage things like DNS, SSL, firewall, and caching on your behalf. Start by opening your Cloudflare account. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account that manages the website you're working on. Once you're in, go to your profile. You'll typically find this by clicking your user avatar or name at the top right and selecting the profile option. If the interface looks a little different, don't worry. The profile area is where Cloudflare keeps your personal settings and security controls. Inside your profile, look for API tokens. This section lists all tokens and keys that external services use to access your Cloudflare account with specific permissions. Ezoic's integration relies on one of these tokens, so this is where the change happens. On the API tokens page, locate the token associated with Ezoic. It may be labeled with Ezoic in the name or description. When you find it, click the three dots next to that token to open the action menu, then choose Delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. As soon as you delete this token, Ezoic immediately loses access to your Cloudflare account. There's nothing else you need to do on the Cloudflare side for this removal to take effect. A quick note on impact. Deleting the token does not alter your existing DNS records or your site content. It simply prevents Ezoic from reading or changing settings in Cloudflare going forward. If you were using Ezoic features that relied on Cloudflare controls, those changes will no longer sync, and your Cloudflare settings will remain as they are. If you prefer, you can also remove the connection from the Ezoic side. Doing so from Ezoic's dashboard complements what you just did in Cloudflare and helps keep everything tidy on their end as well. That's it. You opened your Cloudflare account, went to your profile, selected the profile option, opened API tokens, and used the three-dot menu to delete the Ezoic token. With that, Ezoic is completely removed from Cloudflare. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you cleanly disconnect the integration with confidence.